What does the gradual print mean for Bitcoin?
Not a ton. I think it's supportive, all else being equal, but Bitcoin still has to compete on its own merits for investor attention. Basically, it has to compete with Nvidia, it has to compete with other AI stocks, it has to compete with everything out there that people can own. And of course, the advantage Bitcoin has is that you can self-custody it. You can't self-custody your Nvidia stock, but then the question is how many people want to self-custody it? How many people want self-custodial hard money? Historically, it was the gold bugs, and now it's the gold bugs and Bitcoin maxis. And the question is how big is that market and what timeline does that happen? I'm optimistic, but I wouldn't really point toward the gradual print as a catalyst per se. I do think that the shift from balance sheet contraction to balance sheet expansion is relevant for many assets, including Bitcoin. But when you only have a gradual print scenario, asset specific things matter way more than the macro backdrop. If you have a spring 2020 scenario where just this crazy stimulus is happening, then almost like the micro doesn't matter at all. It's all macro at that point, just hyper stimulus, everything goes up basically. Whereas if you have a more of a kind of a lackluster macro backdrop, then asset by asset really matters. All that micro matters.